Good afternoon, everyone. Anthony Wall Street Trader, 2:14 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on December 26, 2021. It is the day after Christmas. Yes, that's right. So let's make sure we all recognize that this is not financial advice. It's educational. Subscribe, hit the bell, share the video, click the thumbs up. Going to talk about ETH US dollar, and we are definitely starting to try to get over here this area of resistance. It's pesky. 4,100 seems to be in the zone of where this thing is having a problem to get up. Now, a couple of things with this, possibly support here, roughly around this line, and we're starting to get to the end of it. 4,000 is the area of support right now. Resistance at 4,100. This thing needs to make a powerful move up, or we're just going to see this thing dilly-dally, possibly down here. So a couple of things. One is the Ethereum Bitcoin pair. This is muy importante. Now, we broke this channel, so it's a little concerning here. We've been down past it now for a couple of days. So this has not been doing great. So the Ethereum to Bitcoin strength has been petering out here and out of the channel. But zoom out and just understand, in retrospect, this thing is very bullish. Now, a couple of things with this. I'm going to zoom back in so we could see where relative support could be on the ETH Bitcoin pair. So here's what I'm looking at right now. If I was to go and plant a line from here across, we see multiple resistance and multiple support areas on the blue line. Look closely. Resistance, 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 support. So we do have support, and this is how these trends are typically drawn. So you have to look into it a little more. And by the way, looking into it is not only looking into the trend, but also looking into the underlying pair. One of them being ETH Bitcoin, which is what we're looking at right now. Support right now, 79.46. Resistance, 8,300. We're at 8,100 right in the middle of it. Now, let's go over to Bitcoin. This is the second pair we need to look at. This also catching a bounce off of the trend line that was supporting it, which is once resistance on this downward broadening wedge that we broke through. However, nothing goes in a straight line. I expect us to start a rally to 54K tonight. Maybe not hitting 54K, but I think very soon we will be there based on what typically happens on the back of these broadening wedges. Now, a couple of other things. Support right now on this bad boy is around 49,300. Bitcoin dominance also kind of doing not a whole bunch of anything, within a 1% range over the past week. But we are still cycling down ever so slowly. 39.87. We've had a couple of spots where we went to around 39.50 back in May and another time in mid-September. I expect this to be the next spot where we could start catching a bounce. The bounce will likely happen, in my opinion, the bounce should happen due to an influx of capital into Bitcoin. That's just how I'm looking at the way the markets are looking like right now. And we shall see, I should say. 40.80 right now, resistance. We're at 40.71. We're not too far away, but we got to crack over. And this thing needs to break this, get back in this channel as quickly as possible. 83.25. Talk soon, everyone.